What's up guys, I'm Marian Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Janet Collection Darya wig and we're hopping straight into it. This is how it came. This wig is a part of their Melt Natural Hairline with the Extended Part Collection. It's supposed to be recognized for having the best lace on a synthetic wig. So this is the Darya wig in the color Honey Blonde. Here's the stock card. So cute. She is slaying. And inside of the stock card, it gives you different directions and tells you more details about the hair. And we'll get into all of that in the video. Now y'all, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. You can just see straight from the net. I had to take the net off, you know, get all this stuff off. But once it's out, it is beautiful. The curls are gorgeous. It is thick and full. The length, the color, the everything was amazing. When I get curly hair like this, I don't like to run my fingers through it, so I'm trying like not to because I don't want it to frizz, and I know it's already probably gonna be tangly because it's synthetic and it's curls, okay? It's not human hair. It's a $30 wig, okay? So it's gonna tangle, so I don't like to run my fingers through it. Now let's get into the lace and the cap construction. So inside of the cap you get 2 combs by the part and you get a comb in the back. As y'all can see, that lace is not too much, so it's perfect for beginners. You only have to work with the part, and it's a deep extended part, so it's like a really cute and natural. Look at the hairline. The lace is Swiss lace, so it is hand tied and transparent. I can already confirm that it works beautiful with my skin tone, and I can tell that it will look gorgeous on all skin tones. It says it comes with baby hairs, but I don't see none, but I'm sure you can pull some out if you want to. I don't like when wigs come with too much baby hair because no. So putting this wig on, y'all, let me tell y'all, my hair was not braided down, so that was my fault. I ended up like flattening my hair up under the wig a little bit more because it was a mess. But I will say this wig has a really large cap, so it's good for all size heads, okay? Like I said in this clip that you're seeing right now, my hair was sitting up high, so that's why the wig was sitting up high too. You know, it's not the wig, it was me. One thing I was kind of confused on was this little bang in the front. Like, do y'all see that long piece of hair? They could have just curled that with the rest of the wig because that one piece was just really bothering me. So yeah, once again, my hair was just not flat, so the wig was not flat. But getting back into the hair was gorgeous still. It was beautiful. It is full, very full, and more of a coarse texture. So I went ahead and cut the lace off so we can get straight into it. So now that my lace is off, you can see how natural this looks without me doing any plucking, anything to this wig except for cutting the lace off. Now, I did go ahead and add some of my like foundation powder to the part just to, you know, widen it up a bit without plucking, because you can make a hole in it if you decide to pluck. You can do so much wrong if you decide to pluck. And this wig was already really natural, so I went ahead and just added a little powder just to make it even more natural and to ensure that it was matching, you know, me. I also sprayed some water on it at the top, and I took my brush to try to flatten it down some more, because even though my hair was like really thick up under it and I braided down, this wig is still very full, and because it's very full, the top became a little humpy, and I really did not like that at all. So I just took a hot comb and, you know, did that. Honestly, what helped me the most though was just spraying it with water and tying it down, and honestly leaving it on there for like 5 minutes, and I took it off and it was flat. So the results you see at the end mostly came from me tying it down with water because, yeah. But this wig can hold heat up to 400 degrees. So if you really like full and thick hair, this is the perfect wig for you. If you're not a fan of thick hair, you know, think again. Once again, I did not run my fingers through it because, as you can see, this hair will tangle. So I do think it is best for like temporary event use. And I'm not sure if it's because it was colored or, you know, if it would be better in a 1B, which is a black. But I do think this is a really good wig for on the go. If y'all saw me lift it up, yes, this wig is on my head without any spray, any adhesive, any of that, okay? So this wig is really quick and easy to use. I think it is gorgeous. You can style it behind the ear. I wish I had an earring in, but yeah, it's really cute, y'all. That bang just really got to me. That bang gotta go. But the curls, gorgeous. I should have got some frizz spray so I could, you know, spray it on my wig just so it wouldn't get frizzy. But y'all, this wig is giving it all. Here's the back of the wig when you stand up. So I couldn't really stand up, but I wanted to show y'all it does go down, okay? The curls are all the way down. The color is still popping and it's pretty long, you know, but more full than long. So I think it's thicker than it is like about the length, but it's full all the way down. The only con about this wig would probably be the top, which was like a little humpy, but you know, water and tying it down fixed it. And also that bang, okay? That bang was the only thing that I was just like over. But besides that, I would approve of this wig and I would buy it again and probably get it in all black because it's just so gorgeous and natural. I definitely recommend. I'll have the link for it in the description box, so go ahead and, you know, tap into it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.